Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide
for Ford's 1980 to 1996 F-150.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Uninstall and lift your truck's cab. Uninstall your fuel lines and fuel tank and ensure they are safely out of the way. Step 3. Cut off the rivet heads holding the rear cab mount crossmember and remove the studs from the rivet holes with a punch. You will need to cut the rivets to secure the bottom support brackets as well. Step 4. Paint the part with rust inhibitor. We recommend painting this part and allowing it to dry prior to installation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Step 5. Bolt in the replacement crossmember using the included M10 hardware. Then bolt in the bottom support brackets. Ensure the bolts are properly tightened and secure using a wrench and an impact. Finally, reinstall the fuel tank and fuel lines. Lower and reinstall the cab. Now, get back out on the road.